Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on today's video I'm going to review for you a few new items from Beauty Big Bang. Some beautiful stamping plates, 3 of them, and this one, I have a Christmas stamping plate and a couple of others are at different themes. And this, I wanted to show you the nippers that I asked for because I am going to go through a lot of these on my, as I'm an official licensed nail technician, and these are just absolutely beautiful. These duochrome metal tools. Let me go ahead and remove it out of the package and we'll take a closer look at everything. Guys, and here they are out of the package, and these nippers, OMG, don't you just absolutely love anything and everything duochrome? So these are a good size, and I like how they do come with a nice protective, this cover right here. I do like to keep these for, and so that's how they open up. And I do like the size of these, and they feel really well on my hands. And that's how they spring back. So, and these are, let's see, these are the 1/2 inch jaw. And here you see they have their Beauty Big Bang logo right there. So very nice nippers. I am looking forward to using these. Not going to do a demo. I have no cuticle to have to cut and demonstrate. And really, so when you use these guys, you will only use these after pushing any dead skin and then cuticle off of your nails away and towards your eponychium right here, and anything dry and dead is what you will nip off of with using these. Nice and safe. So let's go ahead and show you the stamping plates. This one is the Christmas stamping plate XL093. Look at the beautiful images, and yes, they all come with a nice protective film that you must remove prior to using. Nice plastic backing on the back to protect you from the plate, and it also helps the plate keep it sturdy and nice and straight. We are going to do swatches on all these stamping plates, so we will see how well they perform. The other one I have here is 035. So this one, the theme around this one, it has some variety of flowers, gorgeous designs right there in different sizes. Some of them can go vertical, some of them can go horizontal, and some, depending on the size of your nail, then you might get full coverage. And then like this is another artistic 036. There are the flowers, some very simple, simplistic images right here. So let's do some swatches on these, and I hope you enjoy. So here's a close-up look at the swatches. This is the stamping plate for XL093 with the Christmas images. You can see how beautiful and nice detail, those lines, those fine lines. And here's a New Year's. This one says Happy New Year stamp and Christmas tree. I didn't stamp all of them, but here's this is a favorite of mine. So pretty, and they stamp very, very well. This one says Best Wishes. And this is a cluster of one from the corner, and this much right here. This was my fault from that. I mean, I just didn't do quite a good scrape in there. I was not using a stamping polish. I just used the regular polish to test these out with. And then this one is number 36 right here. These are the very simplistic images. I think it's so cute. Here, the kitty cats, and then we have, yeah, that's a dog right here. And we have a dolphin. And then the flowers and the women faces, great detail there. I don't know if you can tell this one. I mean, you can see there's her profile right there. Isn't that great? And these are super cool too. And then the very last one that I tried, the clusters, this one's 036. Look at these roses. Look at the detail on those roses, guys. If you can get in there and really color those, but they're so tiny and so pretty. So very good quality stamping plates. So that is all I have for this review, guys. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I do have a 10% discount code that I will leave for you if you want to go ahead and check these out. All links will be down in the description bar as well. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me this gorgeous products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.